Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering prerequisites: Databricks workspace with a running cluster and an active SQL endpoint, plus Tableau desktop installed. Once done, create a Databricks personal access token and note your server hostname and HTTP path. You will paste these into Tableau. Make sure your SQL endpoint allows network access from your client, otherwise configure VPC or firewall rules. This starting step prevents connection failures. Now open Tableau and choose the Databricks connector to start the live connection process. You now configure the connection in Tableau, paste the Databricks server hostname and HTTP path, then provide the personal access token as authentication. Once entered, select the appropriate default schema and catalog so Tableau queries the right tables. Make sure SSL is enabled and adjust the connection timeout if queries are large. If you need to use ODK, install the Databricks ODK driver and map it in Tableau. Otherwise, the native connector is simpler. After configuration, press Sign In and inspect the available tables in the Data Source pane. You finish by building the data source. Drag tables onto Tableau's canvas, define joins and data types, then choose Live versus Extract depending on performance needs. Once visualizations are ready, test queries and publish to Tableau server or save as a packaged workbook. If something goes wrong, a common troubleshooting step is to verify the token hasn't expired, confirm the HTTP path matches the SQL endpoint, and ensure the Databricks cluster is running and accessible through network rules. If needed, restart the cluster and retry the sign-in.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.